Ao menos 6 pessoas morreram e cerca de 48 mil foram deslocadas em Madagascar com a passagem do ciclone Batsirai. Os números foram divulgados neste domingo pela Agência de Gestão de Desastres do país. O ciclone tropical tocou o solo da ilha na noite de sábado, com ventos de 165 km por hora e rajadas de até 235 km por hora. A cidade de Mananjari, na costa leste, foi uma das mais afetadas, com casas destruídas e inundações. O Instituto de Meteorologia informou que o Batsirai perdeu força, mas continua gerando receios de enchentes devido às chuvas torrenciais. Os moradores de Madagascar se prepararam para o ciclone com os recursos disponíveis na ilha, uma das nações mais pobres do mundo e afetada pela tempestade tropical Ana, em janeiro, que deixou mais de 50 mortos no país.
Here with a video looking at the impact of tropical cyclone Batsirai on the island of Madagascar on February the 6th, 2022. The cyclone made landfall in Madagascar on February the 5th after impacting Mauritius and Reunion on its path through the Indian Ocean over the previous days. Winds of over 230 km per hour were recorded as the cyclone approached. Landfall was near the city of Mananjari on the southeast of the island, where severe damage was recorded. Tens of thousands of people were forced from their homes with buildings destroyed, including hospitals and schools. Emergency shelters have been set up to help those affected. In coastal areas, high winds caused tidal surges, leading to flooding of low-lying areas. Roads were flooded, leaving areas isolated. The storm weakened as it passed over the island. However, it is expected the cyclone will continue its path towards South Africa over the coming days. The storm is the second to hit Madagascar in the last 2 weeks following the impact of Storm Ana, which also impacted Mozambique and Malawi. Authorities are assessing the impact of the storm as it continues on its path. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.